Know you've been a good friend.
Hey kids, ready to get creative? Today we're diving into some super fun DIY projects that you can do at home. We're gonna make some awesome crafts that are easy peasy lemon squeezy. First, we're gonna transform ordinary paper plates into adorable animals. Then we'll use some old socks to make silly sock puppets. And guess what? We're gonna make our very own Play-Doh. I'm so excited to get crafting with you. So grab your scissors, glue, and your imagination, and let's get started. Are you ready to make some animal friends? Our first project is super fun and easy. We're going to use paper plates to make the cutest animals ever. You can choose your favorite animal, or even create your own. We're going to use colorful construction paper, markers, and maybe even some googly eyes to bring our animals to life. We can make a wiggly worm, a happy pig, or even a roaring lion. First, we'll cut out some shapes from the construction paper for the ears, noses, and tails. Then, we'll glue them onto our paper plates. Don't forget to add the eyes and mouth. You can use markers to add details like stripes, spots, or even whiskers. Let your imagination run wild. Next up, we're going to make some silly sock puppets. It's time to give those old socks a new life. We'll use buttons for eyes, yarn for hair, and felt for their funny mouths. First, we'll grab an old sock and put it on our hand. Then, we'll use a marker to draw where we want the eyes and mouth to go. We can make our puppets silly, scary, or even super cute. Next, we'll glue on the buttons for eyes and use yarn to give our puppets some crazy hair. We can even cut felt shapes for their mouths and tongues. Once our puppets are finished, we can put on a puppet show. We can tell jokes, sing songs, or even act out our favorite stories. Who's ready to get their hands messy? We're gonna make our very own homemade Play-Doh. It's super easy and smells amazing. We'll use flour, salt, water, and food coloring to create all sorts of colorful creations. First, we'll mix together the flour, salt, and water in a big bowl. Then we'll add in some drops of food coloring. We can make red, blue, green, or even rainbow Play-Doh. Once our Play-Doh is all mixed together, we'll knead it with our hands until it's nice and smooth. If it's too sticky, we can add a little bit more flour. Now comes the fun part. We can use cookie cutters, Play-Doh tools, or even our imaginations to create all sorts of fun shapes and designs. Let's go on a rock hunt. We're going to collect some smooth rocks and turn them into colorful friends. We'll use paint, markers, and our imaginations to bring our rocks to life. First, we'll wash our rocks and let them dry completely. Then we'll use paint to give our rocks a base coat. We can use any color we want. Once the base coat is dry, we can use markers or paint to add details like eyes, mouths, and even clothes. We can turn our rocks into ladybugs, bumblebees, or even silly monsters. We can even write positive messages on our rocks and hide them around our neighborhood for others to find. It's a fun way to spread some cheer. Get ready to get slimy. We're gonna make our very own DIY slime. It's gooey, it's stretchy, and it's so much fun to play with. We'll use glue, borax, water, and food coloring to create the perfect slime. First, we'll mix together glue, water, and food coloring in a bowl. Then, we'll slowly add in the borax solution while stirring constantly. The slime will start to thicken right before your eyes. Once the slime is the perfect consistency, we can take it out of the bowl and start playing with it. We can stretch it, poke it, or even blow bubbles with it. Remember to store your slime in an airtight container when you're finished playing so it doesn't dry out.
Know you've been a good friend.
Thanks for crafting with us today. We had so much fun making paper plate animals, silly sock puppets, homemade Play-Doh, painted rock friends, and DIY slime. Don't forget to show your parents your awesome creations and ask them to share pictures in the comments below. We love to see what you make. Remember, you can find all sorts of fun activities and adventures on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. See you next time.